This week we're going to be making a chickpea and mushroom curry. This is a really creamy one, it's got coconut milk in it, so it's really smooth and tasty, and I hope you enjoy making it. So that was a chickpea and mushroom curry, and it does look deliciously creamy and tasty, so I'm looking forward to tasting that one, and I'm also looking forward to seeing how you've made yours, if you've followed a recipe, if you put in a couple of extra things, if you've maybe taken something out. So get cooking and let me see how you've done.